Myria. Now, Myria is a really interesting project. They are growing a proper sort of gaming ecosystem. Like this is they're trying to add multiple games. They've started doing something very clever in terms of following a sort of trend that Gala began in 2021 of selling their own nodes. Those nodes are being sold out at a rapid pace. I think this is one that's going to really garner a lot of price movement in the next bull cycle based on sort of the way that they're approaching things. And I'll talk about that in this video. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what this spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. And in the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. I expected that they were going to make me good money, so I wanted to share that with everyone. And you can see what the prices of all these coins were when I bought them, and the highs that these coins hit in under a year and a half, and the profits that you'd have made from 100 into each one. And if you'd have done it for all of them, you would have made a total profit of over 123 grand in less than a year and a half. Now, bear in mind, we are way closer to a bull cycle than that. Bitcoin halving in April. After that, the markets will start moving. So if you haven't got your crypto positions sorted out, you can do. I run a site called copymycrypto.com where I share my entire portfolio. Anytime I buy a coin, I let my members know all about the coin I'm buying, what profits it can have, and the percentage of cash I'm putting in, and they can copy along exactly. This removes all of the work for the members. They make the exact same profits as me. And if you want to see what they've earned, you can see that on the site. If you want to see what I've said in the past, you can see that on the site. It's all verifiable. It's all on the history of this channel. And guys, if you just like the idea of making the profits without doing any work, try the service out. Now, Myria. I'm really intrigued by Myria as a concept. So Myria have been around for a while. They arrived in April of this year. It then plummeted before having a bit of a recovery, and now it's pulled back a bit. But overall, I don't think the price action is particularly concerning. I think they're in actually a pretty good situation. I'll also get open their article that they posted. So this is a layering solution for Ethereum. It's purpose-built to scale NFTs and blockchain gaming. And it's built in partnership with Starkware, so it offers instant trade confirmation, zero gas fees when minting and trading NFTs. And their layer 2, which was developed using Starkware's Stark Prover, uses ZK rollups and can therefore get through transactions of up to 9,000 transactions per second, which is obviously massive compared to just Ethereum in general. But what's looking really positive is the overall growth that they're trying to achieve. They are trying to make the Myria platform an all-purpose platform for gamers where they can just go and play any game that they want. They have their own studio, which are trying to produce AAA-rated games. And they're really pushing on this quite nicely.
And now a word from our sponsor. So, Banana Gun are aiming to get a listing on Bybit. Now, guys, if you have tried out Banana Gun, very, very cool idea. Very, very cool how you can effectively snipe on Ethereum and Solana with their trading bot. And they're calling out to the community regarding getting listed on Bybit. So to do this, the Banana devs have been working around the clock to bring all that value to the community, but they need the support of the community and the holders and the users. So they are a contestant in the next official listing on Bybit. And to participate in this, you need to register on Bybit with an account, and then you can vote for Banana Gun to be listed. This is obviously a tier 1 listing. Whenever you see a coin land on a tier 1, they often have a huge bounce off of this. So if you're a Bybit, if you're a Banana Gun holder, and you're going to benefit from the price action the moment it lists on Bybit, then get involved and guys, register on Bybit, get your account sorted and vote. As for voting, so there is a $200,000 reward pool if you vote for Banana. So it's divided through multiple campaigns. You can participate in these campaigns and increase your share of the prize pool. You can win $100 by registering with their link. I will put all the links in the description. So this vote happens this week. So you want to get involved ASAP. And they've got I'll put the Medium article here so you can literally go and you can see how you would do a vote for them. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. Like I said, a ton of cash has been put into this to incentivize people as well to participate. 200 grand spread across several different initiatives. So 100 grand will be active during the buy vote event. Reward is $100,000 in banana tokens, proportional to your voting engagement. So again, those airdrops will await the people to vote. Banana Gun as well, the first 30 minutes of buy vote will have $10,000 in banana tokens given out in support. This is only for users who complete the Google form as well, so obviously do that. Also via Twitter, so there's $10,000 in banana tokens. So share a screenshot of your successful banana vote with a text on Twitter/X, and only users again who follow the Google form are eligible. Really simple to get involved here, guys, and easy to make and pocket a nice little chunk of change. Again, vote for banana with 10,000 votes, and you will get again a reward. This is $300 per winner. So if you've got $10,000 in voting power, you're going to be able to get $300 nice and easy. Another $20,000 in USDT and 20,000 in banana tokens. So $40 per referral for 1,000 referred users. So again, all of these different initiatives give you a reason to get involved. And guys, on Zeely, they've also got a quest board. So if you can complete the quests, and they're based around intros, content creation, the Bybit vote, of course, learning more, Twitter, level gifts, and Telegram. If you complete these, you'll be on the leaderboard. The leaderboard as well. Anyone that is in the top 10 are going to get a nice cash reward. In fact, the cash reward is spread across everyone that's going to be in the leaderboard. But if you can get into the top 10, I think you're going to get yourself some nice cash again. So check all of this out. Everything is in the description. Like I said, if you're a banana gun holder, you're going to benefit from them landing on Bybit. So get involved, get yourself some free cash, guys.
This is the post by Myria from a couple of days ago. So 2024 is upon us, and with the start of the new year, we'll be kicking off a series of announcements. The first of these is a major rework of the Myria website. So let's have a look at that. And the Myria website is here now, and that's good, by the way, because one thing that did annoy me about Myria was every time I tried to click on something, it asked me to connect my wallet, which I found very irritating. Hopefully that isn't the case anymore. That isn't the case. That's good. So, nodes are already selling out at a rapid rate. There's only 30,900 nodes left. And they've distributed 12 million Myria a day, which is pretty damn good. So if you're a node holder, you're doing quite well. They're going to be improving the games on offer as well. And the node info is now available for everyone to see, along with the SDKs for the developers that want to get cracking on building the games. So once another 23 nodes are sold, the price will go up again. The current price for a node is $5,900. And that will go up. Now, the benefits of running a node is that you receive daily Myria tokens for the work that your node does. By the way, $5,900 at current price. What does that work out at? It's quite a lot. Answer. So a node on Myria will now cost 737,000 Myria. Which is interesting because I swear when I looked it up not that long ago, it was around 300,000. So they have been selling these nodes out fast. which again bodes well that many people are that engaged with this, because that has more than doubled since last time, or roughly doubled since the last time I checked. I'm pleased with the website upgrade, because every time I tried to just have a look through the site, it kept forcing a connection with the MetaMask, which was friggin' irritating. They've got Meta Rush, they've got Cricket 360, Billiards, Clash, Boss Fighters, and Nitro League are some of the ones that have been up and running. But they also have tons more, Crystals of Fate, Pulsar, Apes Planet. So they're actually adding to this really nicely, and they're starting to build some really cool games. Billiards Clash is one that I want to play. I always liked playing these kind of games when I was a kid. I think it was Blast Billiards, I think was the one I used to play on Miniclip back in the day. When I should have been working, I'm sure. Overall, look, they're starting to do some really cool stuff. The grant system that they've got in place now allows people gaming developers to start really trying to get an additional help whilst building their games. Meta Rush, Dragonary, Crystals of Fate, and whatever, I don't even know how to say that, are some of the ones that have received grants. I'm actually quite bullish on this. They've done a lot of really cool stuff. And when you actually check out the amount of people that are involving themselves in this, if you check out the Chain Explorer, you can see the number of holders at the moment. Excuse me. It's weird that it does that, Sometimes it's just fine. So only 18,000. I just think right now I think that's going to skyrocket. I just really do. I can't understand why there aren't more holders of Myria right now. I think with the sheer volume of nodes that have been bought, I think there's clearly a cohort of people that are hugely bullish on this long term. I don't have a node, by the way. This is not one of my holdings, but I do think this is one that has real potential. They're following a similar approach to what Gala did. It's not even landed on Binance yet. It's not landed on Coinbase yet. I don't even think it's landed on Kraken yet. So it's got bigger name platforms that it can land on that could give it that bounce. And as the games continue to be developed, as the ecosystem continues to improve, as the nodes continue to be bought, I think this is one that can rally up in price really nicely. And I'm actually looking at this as getting into the double digits in terms of 10 cents. I think 20 cents could be on the cards here. Now, as long that is under the proviso that the circulating supply doesn't explode. Like if the circulating supply all of a sudden goes to, 40 billion in a matter of like 8 months, I'd be like, probably is not going to go to 20 cents because you're looking at an $8 billion market cap. But if the circulating supply is south of 20 billion within a year, I think 20 cents is an achievable target here, which is around about 30x. And I think that's kind of very doable. I think we're going to see growth here. I think we're going to see the thing that I think Myria have to do, right? There's obviously the stuff within development. They have to get more games. They have to, they have to get more games that people are interested in. They have to continue to sell those nodes. But the big thing is they've got to onboard users. So for these to have huge success, we're going to have to see a marketing drive for them. So whether that's reaching out to YouTubers, websites, influencers on X, or even just solidifying really strong partnerships with gaming studios, those things have to be done. They have to get out into the space so people are aware of it. And if that happens, I think this can hit 20 cents. I really do. They've started on the right footing. The fact that they are selling out, every time they sell a node, it's for nearly $6,000 now. Bodes really well. They're in a strong position. And I think 20 cents is doable. Could it hit $1? I think it's very unlikely, but anything's possible in crypto. But 20 cents I think is achievable. 10 cents certainly achievable. I think this is a unicorn in the waiting. unicorn is a coin that will have over $1 billion market cap. And I think that's very, 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 very possible for this project. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in the next bull cycle, you can head over to copymycrypto.com, have a look through the site. Everything on there is public record. You can confirm everything that you read on the history of this channel, whether that's what the members have earned, whether that's what I've said in the past. It's all there. Copymycrypto.com is where I dive into the markets every day. I find a coin that's a winner, that's going to make good money, and I buy it. And I'll tell the members about the coin, the profits it can have, and what cash I'm putting in, and they can copy along exactly. We have thousands of members. A lot of them know nothing about crypto, but are making money in this market because they don't have to do any work and they can copy along. We are less than 18 months away from a bull cycle. Hell, we're less than a year away from things really kicking off. If you don't have your positions in crypto yet, head over to copymycrypto.com and you can see my portfolio and you can get your positions there. And that's it from me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.